Dear students, I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching fluid machinery in BE 5th semester. Today's topic is maximum speed of a reciprocating pump. Maximum speed of a reciprocating pump is determined from the fact that pressure in the cylinder during suction and delivery stroke should not fall below the vapor pressure of the liquid flowing through the suction and delivery pipe. If the pressure in the cylinder is below the vapor pressure, the dissolved gases will be liberated from the liquid and cavitation will take place. Also, the continuous flow of liquid will not exist, which means separation of liquid will take place. Separation, cavitation take place and separation of liquid take place. The pressure at which separation take place is known as separation pressure. This is called separation pressure. And the head corresponding to separation pressure is called separation pressure head. Separation pressure head. It is denoted by H separation. For water, limiting value of separation pressure head is 7.8 below atmospheric pressure head. For water, this is 7.8 below atmospheric pressure head. Atmospheric pressure head for water. This is for water. That is equal to 10.3 minus 7.8 is equal to 2.5 meter absolute. This is the separation pressure head. The separation may take place during the suction stroke or during delivery stroke. The maximum speed of reciprocating pump during suction and delivery stroke is calculated as this from the indicator diagram. It is clear that the absolute pressure head during suction stroke is minimum at beginning of the stroke. Thus the separation can take place at the beginning of the stroke only. At the beginning of stroke only, separation take place. In the case of absolute pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning of stroke will be equal to separation pressure head, that is S separation equal to H atmospheric minus HS plus HES. HS plus HES absolute. Or HES equal to H atmospheric minus Hs minus H separation. This is equation number 1. Now, generally, the value of H separation and HS suction head, separation head and suction head are given, and hence HAS, the pressure head due to acceleration at the beginning of suction stroke, can be obtained by using this equation 1. The value of HAS is also given by the equation HAS equal to LS by G into A by AS omega square R. This is equation 2. So equating both the equation, H ATM atmospheric pressure head minus HS minus S separation equal to LS by G into A by AS omega square R. This is equation 3. From equation 3, the value of omega and hence speed, this omega and hence speed can be obtained. This speed is the maximum speed of reciprocating pump without separation during the suction stroke. Omega can be found and N can be calculated. This is maximum N. Maximum speed of the reciprocating pump. Next, maximum speed during delivery stroke. Maximum speed during delivery stroke. During delivery stroke, the probability of separation is only at the end of delivery stroke. At the end of delivery stroke, separation occurs. Stroke, possibility of separation. The pressure head in the cylinder at the end of delivery stroke is H atmospheric plus HD pressure head equal to this minus HAD meter absolute. If separation is to be avoided, the above pressure head should be more than the separation pressure head. In the limiting case, S separation equal to H atmospheric plus HD minus HAD. Or HAD equal to H atmospheric plus HD, H atmospheric plus HD minus H separation minus H separation. But HAD, the pressure head due to excitation at the end of delivery stroke, can also be calculated as HAD equal to LD by G into A by AD omega square R, equating two values of HAD will get H atmospheric, equating this second equation with this first will get H atmospheric plus HD minus H separation equal to LD by G into A by AD omega square R. From this equation 4, the value of omega can be found and the speed can be calculated. This is maximum speed of reciprocating pump without separation during delivery stroke only. The minimum of two speeds given by above two cases A and B is maximum speed of the reciprocating pump without separation during suction and delivery stroke. Now we'll solve some numerical. Find the maximum speed of a single acting reciprocating pump to avoid separation which occur at 3 meters of water absolute. The pump has cylinder of diameter 10 cm and a stroke length of 20 cm. The pump draws water from a sump and delivers to a tank. The water level in the sump is 3.5 meters below the pump axis, and in the tank the water level is 13 meters above the pump axis. The diameter and length of suction pipe are 4 cm and 5 meters, while the delivery pipe, the diameter and length are 3 cm and 20 meters respectively. Take atmospheric pressure head as 10.3 meters of water. Here separation pressure head as separation is given 3 meters of water absolute. Water absolute. Dia of cylinder is 10 cm equal to 0.1 meter. Length of stroke is 20 cm equal to 0.2 meter. So crank radius L by 2 equal to 0.1 meter. Suction head HS is given 3.5 meter. Delivery head HD is given 13 meter. Dia of suction pipe is 4 cm equal to 0.04 meter. Length of suction pipe LS is 5 meter. Dia of delivery pipe DD is given 3 cm equal to 0.03 meter. Length of delivery pipe LD is given 20 meter and atmospheric pressure head is equal to 10.3 meter of water. Now measure speed during suction stroke without maximum speed during suction stroke during suction stroke without separation is obtained from relation given as H atmospheric plus HS minus H separation. H separation is equal to, this one is also minus, H atmospheric minus HS minus H separation equal to LS by G into A by AS omega square into R. Putting the values here, 10.3 minus 3.5 minus 3 equal to LS is 5, 9.81 into pi by 4 d square by pi by 4 ds square into omega square. R is 0.1. From this, putting the values of D and D, this is omega, the value of omega comes after solving this, value of omega comes 3.454 radian per second, 3.454 radian per second, putting the values of D and ds here. Now, as we know, omega equal to 2 pi n by 60. So, n equal to 60 omega by 2 pi equal to 60 into 3.454 by 2 pi. So value of n comes 32.98 RPM. 32.98 RPM. Now second, maximum speed during delivery stroke. Maximum speed during delivery stroke without separation is obtained from equation H atmospheric plus HT minus S separation equal to LD by G into A by AD omega square R. Putting the values here, 10.3 plus 13 minus 3 equal to 20 by 9.81 into d square by dt square, cancelling both by 4 omega square into 0.1. By solving this equation, the value of omega comes 2.994 radian per second. Now n equal to 60 omega by 2 pi equal to 60 into 2.994 by 2 pi. So the value of n comes here is 28.5 0.59 rpm. The maximum speed of the two speed is given from this equation. 1 and 2 is 28.59 without separation. In the both the type, this is the minimum. This is 28.59 and earlier was 32.98. So this is the maximum speed without separation. Thank you. 3.66 meter and HAD equal to 11.44 into -1 equal to minus 11.44 meter. Pressure head in the cylinder at the end of suction stroke. Pressure head at the end of suction stroke is equal to HS minus 3.66 below atmospheric pressure head. Below atmospheric pressure head. So that is equal to H ATM minus HS minus 3.66 meter absolute. That is equal to 10.3 minus 4 minus 3.66 is equal to 9.96 meter absolute. Pressure head in the cylinder at the end of delivery stroke. At the end of delivery stroke is equal to HT minus 11.44 meter above atmospheric pressure. Above atmospheric pressure equal to HATM plus HD minus 11.44 meter absolute. That is 10.3 plus 14 minus 11.44 equal to 12.86 meter absolute. So you have to solve similar type of questions multiple times for practice. Thank you.